How is everybody today? Hope everybody's doing well. Just want to say thank you for choosing my channel to watch this video on this aftermarket mic for the Yaesu FT60R. We'll work with other Yaesus as well, and if I can find a link that gives a whole product description, what it works with, I will do that. Anyways, let's get out of the bag and let's see what we got. It's really not that much to this microphone. I have a similar mic for my Kenwoods, Oshans. Same exact style, little earplug port in the bottom. This one feels maybe a little bit lighter. I don't know, it's been a while since I held one of the other ones. But this one has the Yaesu 4-pin plug, if that will focus. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. Hocus pocus focus. So I'm going to show it anyways. But anyways, don't expect much out of it. But it is good for the money. At least the other one I have is. Let me show you that one. Okay, here's the one I bought for the Oshan years ago. It's been working phenomenal. Audio quality out of it's good. People tell me good audio. It's identical to the Yaesu pretty much. Maybe a little bit different body shape. Manufacturing. It's probably a Chinese clone of a Chinese clone. Doesn't say Oshan, it looks a little more, I don't know. Belt clip on here is really nice. It's detented. Well, I guess this one is too, but oh yeah, this one has some heft. This one feels like nothing. It's probably where the difference in the microphone audio quality is going to be. Okay, we got it plugged in. Let's see what happens here. It's in scan mode. Let's see if I can rotate the dial to a repeater. Okay, the Killington 88. AA1PR testing. Not sure how that's going to be with the camera in front of the microphone, but it doesn't sound too bad. So, oh, it doesn't have the weight, the heft. It tells me the speaker and probably the microphone elements, or at least the speaker element, isn't the same. You know, big, heavier speaker gives better audio type thing. So, anyways, what do you want for an inexpensive microphone there? Hi. It does work. AA1PR testing. Let's go to Rutland UHF. That's 449175. That's WA1ZMS repeater. If anybody has a WA1ZMS repeater around them across New England, or even I think Brian is now down in Carolinas, West Virginia, somewhere like that. You're going to recognize the CW coming out of his repeater. AA1PR testing. That's WA1 Zulu Mike Sierra. So anyways, it works pretty darn good. So no thrills, basic mic. I'm not sure what more I can show you. Anyways, hope you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, all that other good stuff. Thank you.